nigo baikirana asa masabo yo mweri yo musikere Odinga himeyegetie kyo kyanyayo ase abanta asaba iri abange aboigo habarai banyara ko baba ko bwatesia Eamate yo musike Raila Odinga helio goikirania Komorera ase Enchera ya Beene mulikito Daniel Mwaga na mulikira chinkwana Eamate yo mheshimiwa Raila Odinga bakora gwamo na murumu abo Oburu Odinga amono murugyoye mama Aida aba motogiri ase sabari yaye yo borai na boigo kora Eamate yo asebate abiri nigo barache kogenderia chimbaratero chiaye ase Enchera
Chinsa inye chamambia umubere boyo kabiri mu Prime Minister bwense ya Kenya omusike Raila Amolo Odinga nigoika imeyegeti Kyanyayo Stadium okorerwa masabo yo mwelyo kurubo iko bwense karense yobotindi boborendi obotindi wekarengo kelia kyoborendi ya Kenya Defence Force KDF magaga ya masaba kokorekana nigo efamili ya Raila yayira chinga kichya Beene korwa engora yabo ekero asikamoto gokwana nekiribu okyabana inchi abo bekirana asamasaba yo imeyegeti Kyanyayo mu muromu abo Raila omonene uyoboigo oromo senator abwe county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga nigo amotoge Raila bunarenge enchome asamasomo amo no mogosori giata.
The other thing Raila was best at was in class. Me, I was average. I could be number 5, number 4, number 3 sometimes if I did well. But Raila was always number 1. He was always number 1 in class. And I also want to tell you that Raila was a sportsman. He was a sportsman. He used to do what we were calling triple jump. He used to play football and he used to do pole vault. But I was better than him in jumping and in pole vault.
Nigo Oburu airali bagaria Beene kuba kirambo yabana babwatani ebe kyama gyo ODM asoko mochora buno mora intenera bwe kyame kyo ekero emirobiryo ko mwana Raila agenderete.
And I want to thank my party ODM for making me the acting party leader of ODM, the oldest and the largest party in East and Central Africa.
Omurubyoye Raila omusubati Aida Odinga nigarekana gusingirira omorembe kobekwa asechinga kechi cyo kumulera Raila Odinga uywe atogia buna omonto orenge omonto bw'abantu bonsi.
But one thing that he kept on repeating to me is that we must urge Kenyans to live in peace.
Korende mumuryoye Raila Junior niga munyora Raila buno monto bwanchete bomaene naho Raila yogo cyakobeke birato Raila atigire mayaga nago ico lya Eliansa liri Raila abereka gutiga ase family yabo.
I remain the gentleman of the family. Dad, I want you to assure you that I will take care of our family, Mom, Rosie, Winnie, and your larger political family too. Erokamano.
Winnie Odinga omwana oyebwa mwelyo uyorengenere Raila agoiketa kayo mwelyo gosira kwaye imeyense ya India nigo amotoge Raila asekerianga nigakwa buno muruoti.
I was with him in India when he took his last breath. He died in my arms. Every day he was waking up and walking. And every day he would do 1 round. The next day he would push 2 rounds. That morning he pushed to 5 rounds. He died strong, with dignity and with pride. And you must be proud of that.
Ense monayo nigo Winnie enyorogo tera kulya Raila Odinga anchete mono asane kerenga niga kabatera irogotero kwokera chingaki.
Down the bay, the mountain top, where the sun shines on a mountain top.
Egati yabande korwa enka ya Raila nigo bwa mwasi olia Raila buno morayo rwandere tobosibore bwense ya Kenya ase musubati Rosemary Odinga amotona Raila ebuna omoiri ibwange kigima ama ono musani omonene guchi asare.
To me, me, he was my advisor. He was a friend. He was also someone who understood me very well and my children and my siblings.
Abairi amo nabasani ibenkaya ya Raila Amolo Odinga nigowekana imeyegetie kia Nyayo Stadium ritko lya lero ase amasaba yakorwe centre ya Beene ilyoko tukomwenya ritko lya Jumapili nomuyega wekanwa amo onomora igwen William Samoei Ruto nabaigo ase balibekana gati omulo mwa Raila Odinga barwengora yabo nakamotogia Raila bunarengo omonto obwengincho abananchi nigo banchiro korora mobero Raila Amolo Odinga kulimegetie kia Nyayo ase ritko lyankyo orali nimwendege kulimegetie JKIA kulimegetie Kiamo International Airport ime ya Kisumu na korugabwe oirwa goika ime yensemo ye omugondo ye ime ya Bondo county ya Siaya asara ya nibolit kuri Jumapili omoyega orekenwe amo onabairi baimeboka.
My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Mkalipata idege teseni igen Soko TV korwagaiga imeyegeti kia Nyayo ase sabari yo moelio ya Raila Odinga yakorekana aliateri ananchenkolo kwa Daniel Omwaga.